Selam. Nome me Andio. Sanine? Hello, my name is Andy. How are you? Let's talk about the Zazaca language.
Dimli.
The Zaza or Dimli is an Iranic language spoken primarily in Anatolia, classified linguistically as a northwestern Iranic language with Anatolian elements. Scholars suggest that Zaza evolved from a blend of languages originating from the Daylam region of northern Iran, with notable Parthian influences. Linguists observe similarities in vocabulary, grammar, and phonetic shifts that support the theory of Zaza as a descendant of these regional languages. Although an estimated 7 to 8 million people in Turkey speak Zazaci, UNESCO lists Zaza as an endangered language, highlighting the need for preservation. In recent decades, especially in the past 40 years, Zaza people have been actively working to revitalize their language, resulting in a rich body of literary works, including tens of thousands of published books. Zaza is also gendered. Verbs and words take specific suffixes based on feminine or masculine context. The Zazas, an Iranic ethnic group numbering 7 to 8 million, primarily reside in eastern and central Turkish provinces such as Dersim, Elazığ, Bingöl, Erzincan, Diyarbakır, and Siverek. The majority of the European diaspora is in Germany, with 500,000 Zazas. Researchers propose that Zazas migrated from northern Iran through Daylam before settling in Anatolia. Traditionally known as Dimli or Daylami, the Zazas share linguistic and cultural connections with other Iranic groups, often identifying with historical regions linked to the ancient Parthian and Daylamite peoples. Since the 1960s, many Zazas have emigrated, establishing large diaspora communities, especially in Europe. The Zazas comprise over 100 tribes of varying sizes, each with its own unique characteristics. Roughly half of the Zaza population practices Alevi Islam, while the other half adheres to Sunni Islam. Smaller groups within the community are Christian, atheist, or agnostic. Zaza culture is marked by distinct traditions, celebrations, and an array of cultural expressions, all reflecting its Iranic heritage. Some of the main folk dances include Kherechor, Davzer, Chapki, Fadiki, Wishke, and the Bengal Eagle Dance, all of which are commonly performed at weddings and other gatherings. Zaza cuisine features various dough-based dishes that highlight the culinary identity of the community. Some of their popular dishes are shown here. Celebrations such as the spring festivals Hautamal and Kormishkan symbolize renewal, while the Winter Gagan festival involves communal gatherings and charitable giving, led by an elder known as Khalogawan. The resilience of Zaza culture is evident not only in their social customs, but also in their unique political identity, exemplified by the communist governance of Dersim's municipality from 2019 to 2024. This rich heritage continues to thrive both in Anatolia and within diaspora communities worldwide. In the next part, let's listen to the beautiful sounds of their language.
Numbers.
Ju, zu, zew, dede, hire, chahar, panj, shesh, hot, hesht, no, des.
Greetings and phrases.
خیر آمه خیر آمه سلام شودر تو وش بو دیر تو وش بو شان تو وش بو شوا تو وش بو سنینه سنینا از هولا تسنینه از هولا تسنینا خیلی وقتو متنه بینایه خیلی وقتو متنه بینایه نامه تو چوچیو نامه می زازاو نامه می زازایا تکوترای متسلاسنای بیاشا متسلاسنایا بیاشا تزانی دملی ایا ای نه توش به وشوار به مکرت فام منی کرت فام.
Vocabulary.
از م ت تو او آ ما شما انو نو تیا چا اوژا اوزا پر پی مایر مار ما کالک ککو پیرک برار برا وار وا لاجک لاج کینا کینک شار جامرد جنی جنک انباز انباز موسکار موسنر موسنوک çim goş gos zinci pırnıkı fek dıldan dildon sare por ri dest pay ling kutuk kırte psinge hoz ga mi behek estor istor merre kerg bevran mase mose vil vaş dar per meyve sur kho zerd gevr spe spek siyah name roj roç şov şev serre tiji tinci aşmi astare estare adır av ov heva cihan azmin azmi deniz ko orman çep raşt miyande ev u eke çıkı çunki kahan neve.
The Lord's Prayer.
ای پردما و که آزمینده نامه تو بمبارک بو پادشاهی تو بیرو سنی که آزمینده واشتش تویو بنو هر سرد زیبه بو او رو نانی مای روژانه بده ما او سنی که ما خطاکاران خو کنی آف تزی خطایان ما آف که او رایا ما متاده ورایان شی ما برین پیسه را آمین.